Hello dear students, this is Miss Damini Riang and I'm here today with your mathematics class on chapter number 1 entitled Real Numbers and the exercises exercise 1.2. So question number 1 says express each number as product of its prime factors. So when we multiply 3 with 1, 2, 7, 5, we get 3825. Now when we multiply 3 with 4, 2, 5, we get 1275. Next we multiply 5 with 85, we get 425. In the next step, when we multiply 5 with 17, we get 85. 17 cannot be divided further, so leave it as it is. So prime factors of 3825 equals to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. See here we have 2 3s, so 3 square into 5 square into 15. This is how we express any number as product of its prime factors. In the same way, for question number 5, solve it like question number 3 and find its prime factors. Question number 2 says, find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF equals to product of the two numbers. So in this question, after finding the LCM and HCF of the two numbers, we'll have to verify that LCM into HCF is product of those two numbers. In sub question 1 of question number 2, the numbers are 26 and 91. So prime factors of 26 equals to, when we multiply 2 with 13, we get 26, and 13 into 1 is 13. So prime factors are 2 into 13 into 1. Next, the prime factors of 91 are, so when we multiply 7 with 13, we get 91, and 13 into 1 is 13. So prime factors of 91 are 17 into 13 into 1. Now, to find the LCM of 26 and 91, the LCM is like, here in the prime factor of the number 26 and 91, there is 2 and then there is 7. Here 13 is common for both the numbers, so we write only 113 into 1. So when we multiply 2 into 7 into 13 into 1, we get the answer as 182. Now when we have to find the HCF of these two numbers, see in the prime factors here, 13 is the biggest number and 13 is there in both the numbers, so therefore the HCF will be 13. Since there are no other common numbers between these two numbers, so HCF will be only 13. Now for verification that LCM into HCF equals to product of two numbers, we will write as 26 into 91 equals to 2366. Now HCF into LCM equals to, LCM here is 182 and HCF here is 13, so we will multiply both the numbers, and when we multiply we'll get the value as 2366 as well. So therefore LCM into HCF product of 26 and 91. Since our verification satisfies the question arc, that is HCF into LCM equals to product of two numbers, therefore the answer is verified. For sub question 3 of question number 2, we will have to apply the same method. First we will find the prime factors of 336. So when we multiply 2 with 16, we get the value 336. Here we multiply directly like 2 ones are 2, then 1 is the remainder, so it becomes a 13. So 2 6 are 12, again 1 is the remainder, so it becomes 16. So 2 8s are 16. Next 2 84s are 168 and 2 42s are 84 and 2 21s are 42. Now here 7 3s are 21 and 3 1s are 3. So these are the prime factors of 3, 3, 6. So prime factors equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 1. So now prime factors of 54 are, 2 2s are 4, 1 is the remainder, and 2 7s are 14, and 3 9s are 27, and then 3 3s are 9. Now we can further divide. 3 1s are 3. So prime factors of 54 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. So now we will find the LCM. LCM equals to, first we have 2 and 2 here, so we will write only 1 2. The next number is 2 as well, but there are no 2's here, so we will write that 2 itself. The next number is 2, the next number is 2 as well, and then 7, and next we have 3 as prime factors in 336, and we have 3 in 54 as well, so we will write only 1 3, and there are 2 more 3's which are not there in 336, so we will write both the numbers 3 into 3, and then comes 1. Now when we multiply all the numbers, we get the answer as 3024. Next we have to find the HCF. So for finding the HCF, we have to look at the highest common factor. Now here 3 and 3 we have common in both the numbers. Next, there are no other common factors. 7 is the highest number, but there is no 7 in 54, so therefore we will have to look at the highest factor after 3, that is 2. We have 2 in both the places, so the next number will be 2. So 3 into 2 equals to 6, that is the HCF. Now LCM into HCF equals to, LCM is 3024, HCF equals to 6. Now as for product of the two numbers 336 into 54, it gives the total as 18144. And when you multiply 3024 with 6, we get the answer as 18144 as well. So therefore HCF into LCM equals to product of the two numbers, that is 336 and 54. Now since the solution satisfied the condition given in the question, hence the answer is verified. Next, question number 3 says, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. First we will find the factors of 12, that is 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. So the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3. Now next for 15, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So therefore the factors are 3 into 5 into 1 if you want to write it. Next, to find the prime factors of 21, we will multiply 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. So therefore the prime factors are 3 into 7 into 1. Now LCM equals to, here we have 2, there are no 2's in other numbers, so we will write only 1 2. Next we have 2, there are no 2's in other numbers, so we will write 1 2. Next we have 3, we have 3 in 15, we have 3 in 21 as well, so we will write only 1 3. Next is 5 and then 7 into 1. So when we add up all the numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 1, we get the total value as 420. Now HCF is equal to, here the highest number is 7, but there are no 7 in other numbers, so next highest is 5, there are no 5 in other numbers. Next comes 3, there is 3 in all the numbers, so HCF equals to 3. Now next is 2, there are no 2's in the other numbers, so we will not write the factor 2 and your HCF will be only 3. So HCF equals to 3. So that's how we solve by prime factorization method. Next, question number 4 says, given that HCF of 306 and 657 equals to 9, find LCM of 306 and 657. So the solution is written as HCF into LCM equals to product of two numbers, which we have been solving in the previous questions. So product of two numbers equals to 306 into 657. Now HCF here is 9. But what about LCM? LCM is not given, so we will write LCM equals to 9 into LCM equals to 306 into 657. So LCM equals to 306 into 657 divided by 9. Now when we multiply 306 and 657 and divide it by 9, the answer will come as 22338. So therefore, LCM of 306 and 657 is 22338. That's your answer. So that's all for today's class. In our next class, we will be solving the rest of the exercise questions. As for the other questions that I skipped, I hope you can solve it by yourself because the methods are quite similar. So thank you and bye-bye.